It's difficult for children to strive for careers that they don't know about. So we are making it our job to expose them and provide access to these careers, and hopefully they can see themselves in them and become part of this community.
It's amazing that the community is coming together to put this event on. We had so many agencies and organizations out here, like Sullenberg Aviation Museum, the FAA, Air Marshals, North Carolina Department of Transportation, and our own CMPD units.
Really, the purpose of this event is to raise awareness and exposure of the drone industry. It's on the rise. There are a ton of jobs available, and we want to make sure that our community knows about it.
My gosh, over past 7 years, it's gone from a tiny, unstable little thing to what we have here in my hand, tethered drones.
We formed the Drone Explorers program to be involved in the community to teach kids the rules, policies, and safety about flying drones. I want to thank all the sponsors putting on an event like this, having the Drone Charlotte come together, those volunteers, and all the sponsors like the museum and Joe with Dronescape and all the volunteers. It's amazing, and we couldn't do it without them.